Namaste everyone. Let's start today's class. Today we will be discussing about Vyanjana Sandhi, which is a consonant Sandhi. Till now we have seen different classification of Swara Sandhi, in the sense vowel Sandhi. All those different types of Swara Sandhi we have seen. So from today and going forward, we will be looking into the Vyanjana Sandhi. So the classification of Vyanjana Sandhi is nothing but a classification of consonant Sandhi, in the sense Vyanjana Sandhayaha. Vyanjana Sandhayaha means classification of consonant Sandhi. So there are 12 types of consonant Sandhis. What are those? They are: first one is Schutva Sandhi, second one is Schutva Sandhi, third one is Anunasika Sandhi, fourth one is Jashtva Sandhi, fifth one is Chatva Sandhi, sixth one is Anuswara Sandhi, seventh one is Parasavarna Sandhi, eighth one is Chatva Sandhi, ninth one is Purva Savarna Sandhi, 10th one is Damudagama Sandhi, 11th one is Tugagama Sandhi, and the last one is Sattva Sandhi. These are the 12 types of consonant Sandhis, which are called Vyanjana Sandhayaha. So today we will be discussing about first consonant Sandhi, which is the Schutva Sandhi. And in the further classes we will be seeing the other consonant Sandhis. So let's see the definition of Schutva Sandhi. Schutva Sandhi is, the definition is, when sakara comes in contact with shakara or chavarga. So in the vowel Sandhi, we have seen it should be preceded by this vowel and followed by this vowel. That mandatory rules we have seen. But here there is no such case. It should only this letter has to be preceded by. There is no such rule. It can come whether preceded by or followed by. At the same way, the second word also preceded or followed by. Anything can happen. There is no such mandatory rule. So that's why in the definition I have said when sakara comes in contact with shakara or chavarga letters, then what will happen? The left hand side replacement will happen. So sakara will be replaced by shakara. And what is the second rule? When tavarga letters or comes in contact with shakara or chavarga letters, then what will happen? The left hand side replacement. Tavarga letters will be replaced by corresponding chavarga letters. I'll repeat the definition. The definition says, when sakara comes in contact with shakara or chavarga letters, then left hand side replacement will happen. Sakara will be replaced by shakara. And the second case is when tavarga letters comes in contact with shakara or chavarga letters, then left hand side replacement will happen. The respective tavarga letter will be replaced by the corresponding chavarga letter. So this is what the definition. See here, it will be more clear. Here, when sakara is preceded or followed by, it can happen in either way. So when sakara comes in contact with these shakara or chavarga letters, then replacement will happen on left hand side. So sakara will be replaced by shakara. So this is what the first case. And what is the second case we have discussed? When tavarga letters comes in contact with shakara or chavarga letters, then the left hand side replacement, respective tavarga letter will be replaced by the corresponding chavarga letters. This is what the definition. Now we'll see that with example. These are the examples. First example is Shishus Shete. These are the two words. Here in this example, first let's expand each word. The expansion for Shishus is Shakara plus E plus Shakara plus U plus Sakara. And the expansion for Shete is Shakara plus A plus Takara plus A. So what our definitions is? The definitions is when a word is ending with Sakara is preceded or followed by Shakara, then what will happen? The replacement will happen on left hand side and Sakara will be replaced by Shakara. So the replacement is only this is the replacement, and other letters will remain as it is on the left hand side, and the right hand side nothing got changed, everything will remain as it is. The only change is Shakara. Shakara got added. So finally Shishus and Shete. Shishus and Shete, it became Shishushete. This is the first example. We'll see the one more example. Sat, Shakti. These are the two words. What is the expansion for Sat? Sakara plus A plus Takara. And what is the expansion for Shakti? Shakara plus A plus Kakara plus Takara plus E. Now see the definition. What our definitions is? When Tavarga letter, this is the Tavarga letter, right? Takara is the Tavarga letter. When Tavarga letter is preceded or followed by Shakara, then what will happen? Tavarga will be replaced by respective Shakara, respective Chavarga letter. So I'll repeat it. Takara is a Tavarga letter. So when it is preceded or followed by Shakara or Chavarga letter, then what will happen? Left hand side replacement will happen. The respective Tavarga letter will be replaced by corresponding Chavarga letter. So here Takara is the first letter of Tavarga. And what is the corresponding letter of Chavarga? The first letter of Chavarga is Cha. That's why Takara is replaced by Chakara. And all the other letters will remain as it is. The right hand side nothing got changed. Only left hand side replacement will be there. Takara is replaced by Chakara. That's why Sat plus Shakti, it became Sat Shakti. Sat plus Shakti became Sat Shakti. This is what the one more example. We'll see one more. See this. Yaj plus Naha. First let's expand Yaj. Yakara plus A plus Jakara. And what is the Naha expansion? Nakara plus Aha. These are the two words. Now see the definition. When a letter is ending with, when the word is ending with Jakara. So Jakara is a Chavarga letter. So when Chavarga letter is preceded or followed by Takara letter, then what will happen? The left hand side replacement will happen. Chakara letter will be replaced by corresponding Tavarga letter. So here Jakara is the third letter of Chavarga. So what is the corresponding letter of Ja in Tavarga? The third letter, that is Dakara. So here there is a print mistake. This is Dakara. So here the replacement happen only on the left hand side. Jakara will be replaced by Dakara. That's why now Dakara plus Na became Nya. Yaj plus Naha became Yanyaha. Yaj plus Naha became Yanyaha. So this is the one more example. We'll see the last example. Last example is Kas plus Chana. These are the two words. Let's expand Kas. Kakara plus A plus Sakara. And what is the expansion for Chana? Chakara plus A plus Nakara plus A. Now, what our definition says? Sakara is the Tavarga letter, right? No, sorry. It's not under any Varga. So, when Sakara is preceded or followed by Chakara letter, then what will happen? The replacement will be happening on left hand side. Sakara will be replaced by Shakara. So that's why Kas plus Chana became Kaschana. I'll repeat this example. So Kas is the one word, Chana is the another word. We have expanded this. What our definition says? When Sakara is preceded or followed by Chavarga letter, then what will happen? The left hand side replacement. Sakara will be replaced by Shakara. And all the other letters will remain as it is. Only left hand side replacement will be there. So Kas plus Chana became Kaschana. These are the examples for this Schutva Sandhi. We'll see the definition once again. When Sakara comes in contact with Shakara or Chavarga letters, then left hand side replacement will happen. Sakara will be replaced by Shakara. This is the first case. And the second case is when Tavarga letters come in contact with Shakara or Chavarga letters, then the replacement will happen on the left hand side. So respective Tavarga letter will be replaced by the corresponding Chavarga letter. So if it is a second letter, the second letter will be replaced. If it is the fourth letter, corresponding fourth letter will be replaced. So that is what we have mentioned in this table. So yeah, that is for today's class. In the next class, we will discuss about one more Sandhi. Thank you all for joining. I close this class.